Hey, beautiful women. I have something for women's health. And I think this is more for women's health. I don't think this is for men, but it's called organic raspberry leaf tea. It eases menstrual cramps, supports healthy pregnancy. It even aids in short labor pains, and it tones, the uterus, because you guys know as women get older, you can go through menopause. Some women get uterus lapse to where the uterus relocates and kind of drops down. So, you should be doing Kegels and squats, pelvic floor type workouts to, keep that stuff right. But they also have nutrition for that area. You got women, probiotics, for women that struggle with odor and stuff like that. It's because your flora ain't right, your pH ain't right. So keep your prebiotic, probiotics, good in your gut. Don't douche. Don't use tampons, And of course, don't be sleeping around. Get married, have one man. That can mess up your pH and everything too. But yes, this is good for immunity. This is good for toning your uterus. Good for menstrual cramps. Probably for people that's on menopause. So if you are a woman and you want like a tea that is good for, promoting women's health, this is the natural tea for you. It's like all my herbs and everything. I'm not promoting Amazon, but for some reason, if you can't find something, Amazon got everything your heart naturally desires. I actually just finished making my cayenne pepper tincture, and there's a long story behind this thing that almost caused this whole household to fall apart. But you need 80% alcohol to make tinctures. So I put halfway cayenne pepper and then the rest with 80% alcohol. And you got to let it sit for like 4 to 6 weeks so that it can get all the healthy properties of the herb. You'd be surprised. Your season cabinet is a medicine cabinet, bro. Your season cabinet is a whole medicine cabinet. Y'all don't know nothing about this. This helps to prevent, either treat or prevent cancer. You look up the benefits of, don't take my word for it, because I don't remember everything, but if I got it, it's for a reason. Cersei herbal tea. You look up and do your research. But this is all my teas up here. I got more teas on the truck. There's natural healing in your herbs, guys. Like flaxseed, good for heart health. Oregano kills parasites. Turmeric helps with inflammation. You got a whole season cabinet and think that, it's just for my food. No, this is a medicine cabinet, friend. Cilantro removes heavy metals. Shoot, pepper. This is good for blood pressure and heart health. Trying to tell you. I keep a whole bag of cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper, bro, this has medicinal properties, especially people with high blood pressure. If you got high blood pressure, cinnamon and cayenne pepper and turmeric should be your best friend to get your blood pressure within range. Guys, I notice when I post things like this, I think I'm shadow banned or I'm being held back because I'm not promoting the agenda. But I don't care, because I'm not going to promote the agenda. I'm going to promote positive and educational content, and it is what it is. Like, I'm not materialistic anyway, so. But yes, educational for females. Raspberry tea, honey. If you somebody that struggle with real bad period cramps, or you pregnant and you trying to, keep your labor pains, like your labor short, and assist with pregnancy and tone the uterus, girl. Come on, man. Get. I ain't making no money off this. Just sharing knowledge with you guys. Have a great day.